Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our May 2024 challenge is to use this bingo board to document your memory in a fun and creative way, right? Using your scrapbook supplies. So I am going to use the first row going across, and it should say enamel dots, metal dies, wood grain paper, which that is going to be my base paper, 2 pattern papers, and mixed media. This wood grain paper right here is from Memory Place, and it's called Rustic Dreams, and it's from 2021. For one of my pattern papers, I'm using this polka dot paper from Cocoa Vanilla from the collection called These Days. And off camera, I went ahead and inked the edges using charcoal ink from Close to My Heart. And then for another pattern paper layer, I have this 6x6 from my Scrappy Stash. I'm not sure what collection. The tone of it kind of reminds me of Maggie Holmes, but I'm not positive. And of course, this is of the world map. And then my photograph is me and my little man. And this was taken in 2022, the fall of 2022. And I printed it in black and white. Now, for the metal dies, I did get out some metal dies, and that is these right here. However, I don't think that I'm going to use them. I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to use them. I am going to use this stencil right here that's been in my Scrappy Stash, and I'm going to use it right over here somehow. And I'm going to get out my little mixed media mat here. Oh, did I show you my enamel dots? I'm sorry. And I'm using these enamel dots from Hobby Lobby. And as you can see, they're silvery metal, and it goes perfect with the tones that I am using to document this buggy ride with my little man. Now for my mixed media, I am using Master Touch Fine Art Studio modeling paste, and I got that at Hobby Lobby's. And I'm going to use my little Nuva spatula here. And I also got out this acrylic paint in black. And just going to add a little bit. It's not going to take much at all. And this is like butter. I am impressed. My first time using this brand. And then I'm going to add, oh, I don't know that you can see. If I'm too much off camera, apologize. And then I'm going to add a dab of this acrylic paint in black. And we are going to mix this up. And I could have used one of my Heidi Swapp sprays in black and give it a little bit of sparkle, but you know what? My little man is getting older. He's in high school, actually early college program. I don't think I need any sparkles. Not that I object to putting sparkles on masculine layouts, but not this one. And that's given me that kind of metal look, which I kind of dig. And so this is a gray. All right, now let's add it to my layout. And we're just going to add perfect. Love that. That is perfect. And I think I'm going to add a little bit up in this corner. Let's go like that. Just so that I can use this up and I have a diagonal look. I wasn't going to originally do that. My original thought, just going to let you know, was to put some of this modeling paste and using the stencil up at the top and the bottom, but I changed my mind. It's okay to change your mind. And lift. There we go. I love it. That's perfect. Now I'm going to pause the video, which you're not even going to know that I paused the video. Yes, you are going to know because I'm going to say I'm back, but there's not going to be a break in this video, but I need to let this dry. And because I put a light foundation layer of this modeling paste, it's probably going to take maybe 10 minutes for this to dry, which will give me enough time to clean up my mess. Well, I truly apologize. This has not happened to me in a long while, but I got interrupted and I thought I hit play and continue to record the process of documenting this memory of myself and my little man. So what you missed was me de-stressing the edge of this 6x6 paper, adding my title that says Enjoy in Simplicity. Then I added 2 little tiny die cut hearts, and then I used my Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in black. It took acrylic paint, and I added some splatters here, here, and along here. And I even added this big splatter, but you know what? It landed perfectly, so I am glad with that happy mistake. And then I used those silver ball enamel dots. I don't think they're called enamel dots, but they're the shape of an enamel dot. And I placed one right up here by my title and another one by the heart, 3 over here in the lower right hand corner so that your eye goes diagonally across and then back this way. And I added 2 right there because these are pretty prominent in person. So your eye is going to go across here, which that's what I want you to do, is look at the memory that I'm documenting, the photograph. Come over here, look at my mixed media, and then notice these 2 dots over there. Well, this layout is complete. I'm sorry that you didn't get to watch me do the finishing touches. Still give me a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel so that I am inspiring people that you and I don't know that are looking for ideas and inspiration to document their memories, to pass down history. Let's see, what else don't I want to forget to say since I'm all messed up here. Oh, don't forget to go check out our Facebook group site and see what our other members have created using the bingo board. And also you can get ideas from those other 5 years of albums that are over there at our Facebook group site. I will have the link listed below in the description box. I will also have Kathy and Becky's link listed below in the description box so you can go see what they may have created. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Keep coming back. Bye.